All right, and the last problem, all right, again, we have two equations that we're going to plot to find the solution. The first one's in standard form. So I'm going to have one where my x is 0 and one where my y is 0. When I put a 0 in for x, that's going to be negative 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. My y is going to equal negative 2. When I put a 0 in for y, that just leaves me with x. So my x is going to equal 4. So I have a point at 0, negative 2. And I have another point at 4, 0. I'm going to draw a line. There we go. The next one we have, it's always fun with the bells that are recording. The next one, y equals 0. Now, you might be like, all right, what am I going to graph? Is y equals 0. That just means that every y value is 0. So it's actually, the y equals 0 is the x-axis. So that line is going to be right there. So the solution, right, is going to be at 4, 0.